Be obliged.
Your Lordship, regarding item 10, if Your Lordship...
Which
willing,
list?
If the matter can be...
Which list?
Hearing list, Your Lordship. Item 10, this is a jail appeal. If we can take it up on Thursday.
Thursday. Okay. Thursday.
Yes, Your Lordship's indulgence in mentioning item 2 of part 2. My Lord, if this matter may be taken up tomorrow.
All right, tomorrow.
For motion, item number 1.
May it please Your Lordship, this is a contempt petition filed for the non-compliance of the order dated 15/11/2023, passing WPC number 17 of 2023, and the order dated 15/5/2024, passing writ appeal number 6 of 2024. The facts in brief is that the petitioners,
Where is the order?
the order is at page 12, my lord. The operative portion would start from page 21, my lord. Paragraph number 11. Thus, upon due consideration of the case projected by the parties, this court is of the view that the petitioners are entitled to the relief claimed by them. Accordingly, the writ petition is disposed of with a direction to the respondent concerned, particularly the respondent number 1 to 5, to ensure depositing of the assessed amount before the Deputy Commissioner, Mamit District, Mamit, within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order, failing which the respondent will be at liberty to pay interest at the rate of 6% per annum from the date of this order till final realization. This order was challenged by the Ministry of Defense in writ appeal number 6 of 2024. The order of the writ appeal is at page 25, my lord. And the operative portion would start from paragraph number 30, my lord. Page 30, paragraph number 10. Page 30, my lord. Paragraph number 10. If I may read, my lord. We have heard the submissions made by the learned counsels for both the parties and considered the limited prayer made by the learned counsel for the appellants, which is that the appellants who are arraigned as respondent number 4 and 5 in writ petition number 17 of 2023 should not be made liable to pay rental compensation, to which no objection is raised by the learned counsels for the present respondents. We find it appropriate to interfere with the judgment and order dated 15/11/2023 passed by the learned single judge in WPC number 17 of 2023 only to the extent of modifying the same. Accordingly, instead of the respondent number 1 to 5, the respondent number 4 and 5 being excluded, only the respondent number 1 to 3 are to ensure depositing the assessed amount before the Deputy Commissioner, Mamit District, Mamit, in terms of the judgment and order dated 15/11/2023. We do not find any other grounds to interfere with the judgment and order dated 15/11/2023 passed by the learned Singh was disposed of vide order dated 25/2/2026. The operative portion starts
Yes, so have they preferred appeal before the Supreme Court?
at this stage. I don't think
All
they
right,
have.
then let's issue the notice.
Yes, my lord.
Hard Spencer Learned Counsel. So, this is an application. Under Article 215 of the Constitution of India, read with Section 12 of the Contempts of Court Act 1971. in respect of alleged willful and deliberate violation stroke non-compliance of the directions of this court void order dated 15/11/23 passed in WPC number 17 of 23 as well as order dated 15/5/24 passed in writ appeal 6 of 24. Stop issue notice to the respondents. Petitioner to take steps by speed post with AD within 3 days. List again after 4 weeks.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 2.
My lord, in this case, the newly implemented respondent number 8 has an engaged lawyer, but she has not received the writ petition. So I'll give her the copy of the writ petition and she can answer that, my lord.
All right.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of the
Kala.
respondent number 8, Kala Lungle.
Are the other respondents represented?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I'd learned counsel for the petitioner. So and so has entered appearance for respondent number 8. Extra copy of the writ petition be served upon her. Lays the matter again on.
After 2 weeks, my lord. Obliged.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 3.
May it please Your Lordship, the matter is regarding Lok Adalat Award.
Pardon?
The matter is regarding Lok Adalat Award, and we are yet to receive counter affidavit from the respondents.
May you sign the award?
No, Your Lordship.
No?
No, Your Lordship.
Then what is the validity of this order otherwise?
Sir, without my consent, the Lok Adalat had passed a settlement to the respondents.
You were not present. I think you were present there.
No, Your Lordship, I'm not present.
Huh?
I'm not present, Your Lordship.
It was passed behind your back. You filed a case before the Lok Adalat. Is
Yes,
it
Your
not?
Lordship. Yes.
Look at paragraph 7.
Yes, Your Lordship, indeed, I have signed the gift deed, but that is only for the...
No, I'm asking you whether you appeared before the Lok Adalat. You said no. But
No.
in your paragraph 7, you said that on 14/9/24, the petitioner and respondent number 1 appeared before the Lok Adalat.
No, Your Lordship. This Lok Adalat award was passed without any discussion, and it is without my consent. They have passed this Lok Adalat award. Only respondent number 2, respondent number 1 was there at the time of the award.
Nobody is appearing for respondent.
I believe so. And if it pleases Your Lordship that the interim order passed earlier may be continued till the next date of listing.
Yes, I think MLA was appointed
Yes,
to
Your Lordship.
represent 1 and 2, not here. All right, heard learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned counsel appointed to represent respondents number 1 and 2 is not present, and affidavit is yet to be submitted. Two weeks further time is granted to the respondents to file the date, okay, after 2 weeks. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Duly obliged.
Item number 4.
My lord, regarding this matter, if I may be granted another 2 weeks' time to file for an affidavit in reply.
On the prayer of learned counsel for the petitioner seeking further time to file affidavit in reply, list the matter again after 2 weeks.
Item number 5.
May it please Your Lordship, I'm for the petitioner. Referring order earlier passed on 29 1/2026. I've already taken fresh step to respondent number 1. However, ID card is still not yet returned. Service may be waited. And for respondent number 2, my lord, he is already retired. I am allowed to file transferred out from his post. And then I'm allowed to file an implement application for the incumbent. However, at this stage, my lord, I have some difficulty in filing. If I may give him further time.
Heard learned counsel for the petitioner who prays for further time to file application for implement of respondent number 5. Further, it appears that ID card in respect of respondent number 1 has not been received back as per office note dated 29/1/26. Full stop, it is submitted that the respondent number 1 has already retired and new incumbent
Respondent number 2 is transferred out from his post.
1 has been transferred.
Lord?
Respondent 1.
No, respondent number 2.
No, I am on respondent number 1. You said 1 retired.
No, my lord,
1 has
2.
not retired.
No.
Okay. Instead of 1 retired, you said 2 has been transferred. Okay. And therefore, the new incumbent is also required to be implemented. Steps to be taken accordingly by the petitioner. List again after 4 weeks.
Your Lordship, I have instructions to appear on behalf of the respondent number 1, Secretary, Land Revenue.
So and so appears for respondent number
3.
1.
Lordship,
who are
it's
you
the
appearing
respondent
for?
number 3, Land
3?
Revenue. Yes.
All right, for respondent number 3.
Item number 6.
Your Lordship, ID card in respect of respondent number 3 has returned, and the standing counsel for respondent number 3, who is on the other court, has informed me that he will be filing his power and his affidavit. So he has informed me to pray on his behalf for another 4 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
So all are represented now?
Now, yeah, with Your Lordship, sorry, Your Lordship, if the power is submitted on behalf of 3, all will be represented.
Heard learned counsel for the petitioner. And so enters appearance for respondent number 3. And it is submitted that power will be filed on behalf of respondent number 3 shortly. Hence, list the matter again after 4 weeks. In the meantime, respondents may file their affidavits in opposition.
Obliged.
Item number 7.
May it please your Lordship, steps upon respondent number 4 was taken on 5/12/2025. Till date, AD has not returned. If I may be allowed to take a fresh step upon the respondent number 4 through Dusty service, my lord.
Heard learned counsel for the petitioner. ID card in respect of respondent number 4 not yet returned. Petitioner is allowed to take effect service by way of Dusty and file affidavit accordingly. List the matter again after 2 weeks.
Oblige.
Item number 8.
My Lord, I'm appearing for the respondent number 1 to 4. The affidavit in the opposition is under active preparation, my Lord. Some minor changes and correction has to be made. So if Your Lordship may give us some more time, we'll be able to file within 3 weeks, my Lord. We have prepared, but some minor changes and correction has to be made.
All right, heard learned. So and so learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. So and so appears on behalf of respondent number
1 to 4.
1 to 4. It is submitted that the affidavit in opposition is being finalized and 6 for the 3 weeks time to file the same. Accordingly, release the matter.
My lord, in the meantime, interim order earlier passed may be
Order-
continued.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of list.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 9.
My lord, this instant appeal is filed against the impugned judgment and order dated 11/12/2025 in probate case number 39 of 2020. My lord, for the probate case was filed for probate of will dated 22/11/2018, executed by Sridhar Kumalate, who is the father of the appellant. My lord, however, the learned trial court dismissed the matter and that the prayer and held that the prayer of the appellant was not allowed. My lord, in fact, this matter is being listed for the first time.
First time.
My lord. My lord, both the respondents herein also contested in the said probate case, and respondent number one Lel Nuntwanga, that is the grandson of Sridhar Kumalate, filed his written objection along with counterclaim, wherein he stated that wherein he asked for grant of probate of the alleged
Yes, is there
last
any
will.
caveat?
lord.
Why is there an office note that you will serve copy to the respondents?
My lord, this matter is being listed for the first time.
Yeah, I have seen, but there is an office note dated 10/3 says that copy not yet served to the respondents. How can copy be served to the respondents before the matter is listed, unless there is a caveat?
My
Alright,
lord,
Hart.
notice is not yet issued.
Hard so and so learned counsel for the appellant. This is an appeal under, it's the first cause title, okay, page 1. Issue notice to the respondents, appellant to take steps by speed post to its AD within 3 days. Release the matter again after 4 weeks.
My lord, if the appeal may be admitted.
Hmm?
If the appeal may be admitted.
Let them appear first, then,
My lord.
unless there is. Maybe we are able to dispose it of at the admission stage itself. Let us see. Let them come.
Item number 10 and 11.
My lord, this item 10 and 11 are arising out of a common judgment and order, my lord. I'm appearing for the appellant in item 10, and it seems a paper book is ready. So I will deposit the cost of the paper book, my lord, within this week.
All right. In both cases,
In both cases, yes. My lord, reference is for the appellant in item 11.
And for the appellant in item 11.
heard learned counsel so and so appearing for the appellant. Ms. So and so appears for which respondent?
Appellant.
No. You?
For the state, Your Lordship.
For the state respondent. As per office note, paper book is ready and will be submitted to the parties after cost is paid accordingly. Appellants are directed to deposit the cost within
1 week, my lord.
1 week. Okay. List the matter again after 2 weeks, subject to deposit of cost. Same order in both cases.
Item number 12.
My Lord, in this regular first appeal, it appears that TCR has been received, my Lord. So paper book will be required, Your Lordship, in this matter.
Pardon?
Because this regular first appeal, then evidences on record, everything should be, I think it may be necessary to compile it as a paper book. Appeal had already been admitted, my Lord.
Appeal is already admitted,
Admitted.
TCR is received. Have all the respondents appeared?
I think they are not appearing today, my Lord.
No, no, otherwise service is complete.
Service is complete. And counsel has also submitted on the last occasion, my Lord.
Hard learned counsel for the appellant. It appears that service on all respondents is complete, and affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent. Which respondent?
Sole
Only one
respondent,
respondent, no?
sole respondent, my Lord.
Has also been submitted. Hence, list the matter for hearing after 4 weeks.
Yes, and my Lord, one small submission I would like to make is that the sole respondent had submitted the affidavit in opposition in this regular first appeal without permission from this honorable court. And this is not the correct procedure also, my Lord. So this affidavit in opposition may not be included in the paper book, my Lord. It should be excluded without any authority from this honorable
Is there
court.
any direction for preparation of
No,
paper
my
book?
Lord. I have checked already. Nothing is there.
No, no. Is there any direction for preparation of paper book?
Not yet, Your Lordship.
Not
That is
yet.
what what I am
Registry
asking, Your Lordship.
to prepare paper book at the cost of the parties. List again after 4 weeks. Not for hearing, okay, for orders.
And my Lord, this affidavit in opposition may be excluded from the paper
That we will
book.
consider at the time.
My Lord. Chopach.
Item number 13.
Yes, somebody is appearing to VC. Not audible. What happened to the sound?
Maybe it's not connecting this sound.
Counsel through VC, you're not audible.
Lordship, sound check from my side. I'm appearing for the next item. Can you hear me? I'm audible, Lordship?
Can't see, you are audible but not visible. Okay.
Okay, I think mine is fine. I think it is their problem.
You've gone again.
I'm for the next item, Lordship, item number 14.
You're on
I'm
the
just
next
test-
item. We haven't called up the next item.
Actually, I'm testing the system.
Let's deal with this one first. Where is Learned Counsel appearing from? Guwahati?
Yes, it's through VC.
Huh?
Through VC.
Ask someone to check, no one is there.
Am I audible, Lordship?
Yes, right now, yeah, just now.
Lordship, this application is a pre-arrest bail in connection with the information report dated 5/5/2025. Lordship will find it in page number 14 of our bail application. The typed copy is in page number 15. If I may read, the gist of information recorded. On 5th May 2025 at 4 p.m., I received a phone call from a member of CADS stated that they strongly believe that so-and-so of West kept some quantity of cup syrup containing cordial sulphite at their residence. Pursuant to this information report, Lordship, a search and seizure was conducted on 5th of May at the said residential flat. Lordship will find that order in page number 17, the typed copy.
Page number?
As a 17, the search and arrest memo.
Yes.
I so and so do hereby seize 22.9 kgs of so and so cup syrup and 24 cans of beer. On 5th May 2025 at 4:45 p.m. I also arrest its possessor, namely so and so, from Iswal on the same date, time and place at the residence of the arrested person. Lordship, the petitioner here is the landlord, is the owner of the said residential flat where the alleged contraband was recovered and seized. At the time of the seizure from the premises was let to the said accused, and he was not present at the spot during the raid, nor his name is appearing in the information report or the seizure report. In fact, the petitioner is residing at Lucknow since past few years, and he has let out this residential flat. This residential flat was in exclusive possession of the tenants. So my humble prayer, and the accused person who was arrested was also granted bail on 3rd of February 2026. It was a default bail. We have annexed the bail order as well. Lordship will find it in page number
That is default bail.
22. Yes, that is default bail. And our name, we are the landlords. We are nowhere, our name is nowhere appearing in the seizure list or the information report. We were not present at the site, nor we had any authority to enter the premises since it was let out. And we have annexed an acknowledgement from the local council also saying that we were not in the possession. In fact, the named accused of the information report was in possession of the property. So at this stage, my limited prayer is that interim protection be granted, and we will cooperate with the investigation, and if need be, we will appear before the IU.
Your name is?
My name?
The present petitioner?
Yes,
Jodingliana.
Yes.
Jodingliana.
Yes, Lordship.
So who was arrested on the spot? That is
He was the tenant, Lordship. He was a
Himpang
tenant.
Sangha.
Yes, Himpang Sangha.
But this is commercial quantity.
This is commercial quantity. It was merely seized from my residential flat, which I had already let out.
That we don't know unless
I
we
was the
see the
landlord.
CD.
Yes. Lordship, meanwhile, interim protection may be granted if the
No.
CD is called for.
Even for the purpose of interim protection, we have to comply with section 37, and we do not have the material for that at the moment. All right, heard so learned counsel for the petitioner. This is an application under this pre-arrest. 482 BNSS seeking pre-arrest bail. The case is registered under section 21C of the NDPS Act, as well as section 6 within bracket 1, 7 within bracket 3 of the MLP Act, at the Excise and Narcotics Commissionerate, Aizawl. Call for the CD. Release the matter again on. When can you have it? How early? CD?
Lordship,
This is from
next week-
Aizawl only?
It's from Aizawl, yes, Your Lordship. After 2 weeks,
2 weeks? Where do you need 2 weeks for the CD?
then after 1 week, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Now that the case is under investigation and Your Lordship.
No, maybe under investigation. What is the difficulty in submitting the CD? We are not stopping the investigation.
I understand.
Monday, again, next Monday.
Obliged.
Item number 14.
My lord, I'm appearing through VC also. My lord, my video, the host has disabled my video. Can you kindly? Lordship.
Oh, yes.
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship. My lord, this is very simple bail petition under 11A, that the old one, all 324. So my lord, actually this is the first time I think I have been practicing for quite numbers of years simple matters which come up till this High Court, just due to the fact that the petitioner was intending to file counter FIR against the case IO. So that's the case IO took very strong initiative, and he appeared in the High District Court, even in JMFC also. He strongly opposed on the ground that the petitioner had 3 previous cases, pending cases, 2 being that with regard to his former wife, so that domestic violence cases. So one is, it's 2015 case on the verge of disposal. So actually it is the state prosecution who delayed his trial court. Because of that criminal antecedents, this simple case, the punishment in fact may extend to 3 years, Your Lordship, that's 1181. Just only that I was provoked, I was called, hey, Mr. Monkey in Mizo, it's very serious. So, and FIR is there in Lordship. If you kindly see the FIR, it's at Annex 1, page number 17. Translation is 18.
Well, you seem to be quite a character.
My lord, actually that is on record, but it is with my wife, it's between domestic violence. So we settled, and it is long time back case. So then we settled, and that
BNS.
domestic violence.
BNS.
My lord, I have enclosed that the provision in page number Annexure 10, 41, those relevant provision, BNS. It's 3 years, may extend to 3 years.
Well, any medical report is there? What is
That's
the
why
kind
my
of
point.
injury?
My lord, even right from the beginning, at the times of objection, the state has never produced any medical report. Our version is that we have not shot. Just only he called me Mr. Monkey. You Mr. That very bad in Mizo language. And he's the one who provoked. So there is never medical report ever since the beginning. I've been in prison almost 58 days now. I was arrested on 18 January.
Where is the FIR?
FIR is, my lord, at 18. English translation is at 18.
Yes, PP. It is under 118(1), 3
Your
years,
Lordship.
60 days statutory detention.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Today is almost,
Your Lordship,
how many days?
58, Your Lordship.
Huh?
He is in
58, 58.
58 days. Then
And Your Lordship, what I would like to submit is that today is the first time it is listed, and there is no record which we can peruse. And Your Lordship, another thing is that as far from the application submitted by the applicant, that is the bail rejection order. From the bail rejection order, it can be seen that the behavior of the appellant is quite harsh, and it is stated that this is not his first time. Even before he had already assaulted his wife as well as some other people. So his behavior is...
that is true, but what happens after day after tomorrow?
So, Your Lordship, my prayer is that to call for the reports, if it is charge
We
sheeted.
fix it day after tomorrow then.
I
Your Lordship, then fine.
don't even know that whether it is charge sheeted or not, because it is the first
CD
time,
also will
this
be
is the
inquired,
first
Lordship.
time it is
All right,
listed.
I'd learned
Medical
counsel
report
for
is
the
there or not?
petitioner. And also heard learned PP. This is an application for bail in respect of petitioner so-and-so in connection with so-and-so PS case registered under so-and-so. And petitioner, full stop, petitioner was arrested on 18/1/26 and today is the 58th day of detention. The statutory period of detention is 60 days. However, learned PP submits that it is not to her knowledge whether the charge sheet has been submitted and accordingly seeks some time to obtain instructions. Hence, list the matter again on day after tomorrow, okay?
My lord, CD be called,
Also call for the CD in the meantime,
whether there is medical report or not also.
along with medical report, injury report. Okay?
Much obliged, Your Lordship. My lord, previous antecedents of criminal record is no ground to reject bail. The Supreme Court held in many cases. I have enclosed
We'll
also.
consider that. Yes.
Much obliged.
Part 2 hearing, fixed item number 1.
No counsel side.
May I please, Your Lords? My Lord, I am appearing for respondent number 6 and 7, Income Tax Department in this case.
Okay. None appears for the petitioner. Learned counsel, Mr. You are Mr.
S. Chetia, Lord.
S. Chetia appears for the respondents number
6 and 7, Income Tax Department.
6 and 7.
And Your Lordship, I am representing the respondent number 1 to 5.
1 to respondents 1 to 5 are represented by learned PP. List the matter after 2 weeks.
My Lord,
Anyone
date
for
may-
hearing?
Lordship, date may be fixed, my Lord.
Already keep a date after 2 weeks.
I am obliged.